Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Collinite 845 is probably one of the most iconic and enduring car waxes on the market, a true testament to its superior performance and longevity that has captivated detailing enthusiasts for decades, offering a deep, glossy shine and robust protection that stands the test of time against the elements, making it a go-to choice for those who demand the absolute best for their vehicle's finish. Number 5. HydroSlick Hybrid Spray Wax Kit. Discover the advanced car wax from HydroSlick. It offers long-lasting protection and is incredibly easy to use. Achieve a brilliant shine with minimal effort. This formula is designed to last, keeping your car looking its best. Worry less about application. It's safe to use on all surfaces of your vehicle, providing peace of mind. Simply spray and wipe for a professional finish. It's never been easier to achieve that showroom look. This comprehensive kit includes an 18-ounce bottle of our hybrid spray wax and a high-quality towel to get you started. Experience the difference that advanced technology makes. Get superior protection and a stunning shine with HydroSlick. What we like. This product offers a hybrid formula for enhanced protection and shine. It's incredibly easy to apply and remove, making it perfect for quick detailing. If you're looking for a versatile wax that works on all surfaces of your vehicle, including paint, plastic, and trim, this is a great choice for a hassle-free shine. What people say. You can spray this on all the black plastic cladding, and your weather stripping, grille parts, black plastic on your pickup's bumper cover, mud flaps, windows, wheels, no problem if you get overspray on the tires. It makes all you black plastic look better, leaves a light satin sheen on your black parts. It not only acts like a wax but it also protects from UV damage. Easy to apply, remove leaves mirror shine. Fingernail scratches at door handles, gone. Rain rolls off leaving shine not spots. Applied to window exterior, no streak clear in rain. Very easy to use, spray on, wipe off, and yet gives incredible slickness and gloss. The added bonus is the fact that it can be spray over trim and glass without any discoloration. First bit of rain today after applying it 4 days ago and the water formed tight little beads and rolled right off. Number 4. Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Experience the ultimate car wax for a deep, wet shine. This premium liquid wax delivers a smooth finish and protects your paintwork from the elements. Enhance gloss, depth, and reflection on any paint color. Achieve a stunning, showroom-quality finish that will turn heads wherever you go. This gentle formula is safe for all finishes, including clear coats, single-stage paint, and polished metals. It's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. Enjoy a waxing experience like no other. Its smooth, spreadable formula wipes on effortlessly and buffs off without streaks or residue, making the job faster and more enjoyable. Make your detailing sessions more pleasant with a tropical banana fragrance. Enjoy a brilliant, protected finish with a scent that adds to the experience. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. It provides versatile shine and protection on painted, coated, and clear bra surfaces. What we like. Experience a deep, wet shine that truly makes your paint pop. Its smooth formula is a breeze to apply and remove, leaving no streaks behind. If you love that classic, glossy look and enjoy a pleasant scent while you work, this is the wax for you to achieve a show-stopping finish. What people say. Application goes on with minimal effort and comes off just as easy. Used the Chemical Guys applicator pads and a basic microfiber towel and took me about 30 minutes to wax the car. Finish, by far the best part of this wax. Not only does it protect the car extremely well, it has one of the most impressive shines I have seen. It makes the car look wet from any angle. 2 weeks later and about 300 miles of mountain driving, it still looks like I just washed it. The shine is superior to what you get with the spray waxes that I listed above. However, know that the synthetic spray waxes that I mentioned above will last longer on the paint and they have superior water-beating properties. Number 3. Chemical Guys HydroSlick Ceramic HyperWax. Experience the ultimate shine and protection with our revolutionary ceramic HyperWax. It's designed to give your vehicle an intense gloss and durable defense in a single, easy step. Infused with advanced SiO2 ceramic technology, it forms a slick, protective layer on your car's surface. This layer actively repels water and dirt, enhancing depth and shine for a stunning finish. Our versatile coating is safe for all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, chrome, headlights, and wheels. It's compatible with various finishes, ensuring comprehensive protection. Enjoy months of incredible water beading and surface slickness with just one application. This advanced formula provides durable, hydrophobic protection that keeps your vehicle looking pristine. Applying it is incredibly simple. Spread it evenly, let it cure, and buff to reveal a streak-free, mirror-like finish that will turn heads. Whether you own a car, truck, motorcycle, RV, or boat, this product is perfect for you. It's ideal for both daily drivers and show cars, delivering exceptional results every time. What we like. This product combines the ease of a wax with the durability of a ceramic coating. It offers incredible gloss and long-lasting hydrophobic protection that repels water and dirt. If you desire months of protection and a slick, glossy finish with minimal effort, this ceramic HyperWax is ideal for maintaining a pristine look. What people say. It's a great wax that provides a deep gloss and slickness. It's very easy to apply and remove, even in direct sunlight. It lasts a long time, providing excellent protection against the elements. Number 2. Collinite 845 Insulator Wax, 3-pack. Introducing Collinite 845 Insulator Wax, a powerful blend of carnauba and polymer sealant. It's designed to give your vehicle a brilliant shine and robust protection. Achieve a stunning high-gloss finish that truly stands out. This wax enhances the natural beauty of your vehicle's paintwork. Experience superior water beading that lasts. Its advanced formula repels water effectively, keeping your vehicle cleaner for longer. Enjoy durable, long-lasting paint protection against the elements. It shields your vehicle from UV rays, environmental contaminants, and oxidation. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles including cars, boats, trucks, RVs, and motorcycles. This wax offers versatile protection for all your prized possessions. Get more value with this convenient pack of 3. Ensure you always have this exceptional protection on hand for all your vehicles. What we like. This wax provides a robust blend of carnauba and polymer for exceptional durability and high gloss. It offers superior water beading and long-lasting protection against the elements. If you're seeking a tried-and-true, heavy-duty wax that delivers impressive longevity and protection for your vehicle, this is a top contender. What people say. Easy to apply and remove, leaves a slick, glossy finish. Lasts a long time, even through harsh weather. Great for all paint types, including clear coats. Number 1. Collinite 845 Insulator Wax. Introducing Collinite 845 Insulator Wax, your go-to solution for a brilliant shine. Experience the power of carnauba and polymer technology in one easy-to-use product. Achieve a stunning, high-gloss finish that turns heads. This advanced formula enhances your vehicle's appearance with unparalleled depth and clarity. Protect your paintwork from the elements with long-lasting defense. It creates a strong barrier against UV rays, dirt, and environmental contaminants. Experience incredible hydrophobic properties that make water bead and roll right off. This keeps your vehicle cleaner for longer and makes washing a breeze. Get professional results in minutes with its fast spray and wipe application. It's perfect for cars, trucks, RVs, and any vehicle needing superior protection. Our unique blend of speed carnauba and polymer sealant provides both immediate gloss and durable protection. Enjoy the best of both worlds with this innovative formula. What we like. Get a high-gloss shine and durable protection in a fast spray and wipe application. This product is designed to be used as a topper for existing protection or as a standalone quick detailer. If you need a rapid way to boost gloss, enhance hydrophobics, and add a slick finish between washes, this spray wax is your go-to solution. What people say. It's a great wax that lasts a long time and provides excellent protection. Easy to apply and remove, leaving a deep, glossy shine. Water beads up and rolls right off, showing great hydrophobic properties. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.